Cinnamon, popularly termed as Ceylon cinnamon or Sri Lankan cinnamon in trade, is a derivative from the bark of aromatic perennial tree which scientifically named as Cinnamomum verum from the family Lauraceae. Being native to Sri Lanka, it holds the crown of the world cinnamon market, contributing the highest supply of true cinnamon to the world market. History says that since hundreds of years ago, Sri Lankan cinnamon has been related with nations in overseas, namely Arabians, Portuguese, Dutch and English in trade and politics as well. As an example, the first Sri Lankan international agriculture-related trade bond was based on cinnamon in 16th century. However, Sri Lanka still holds her trade monopoly as the best cinnamon supplier in the world. About 80 to 90% of the total of the world market demand for cinnamon is supplied by us. During the year of 2011, there was a 30,059 hectare of cinnamon cultivation, and Sri Lanka has exported about 16,238 metric tons, which accounts for 9,865 million rupees as foreign exchange to the island. It was nearly 50% of the total export income from exports agricultural sector in Sri Lanka. Cinnamon bark, roots and leaves are used to extract oil, which contain high amount of cinnamaldehyde, camphor and eugenol in sequence, which are mainly used in food, perfumery and pharmaceutical industries. In commercial scale cinnamon industry, cinnamon is normally sold as quills. Quills are graded according to their length and diameter, roughness. The best grade is named as Alba among the well-known grades of Continental, Mexican and Hamburg. Cinnamon processing involves harvesting, transporting to peeling shreds, removing knots and then scraping out the cocky layer. After scraping out the cocky layer, rubbing and peeling the bark is done. The steps of making quills, trimming, air drying and bundling follows in sequence. In traditional method, first the cinnamon sticks are scraped by using cockather, and then the scraped sticks are rubbed by using brass rod. Next, peeling is done. After that, the removed peel is dried out by normal air drying. And finally, the quills are made. Hygienic factors are not considered in the existing traditional production process. Peelers with dirty clothes and equipment create a poor hygienic environment, causing cinnamon to mix with impurities. Therefore, mechanization and modernization of cinnamon processing is very much needed to address the previous issues in order to safeguard the future of cinnamon industry. With that purpose, Department of Agriculture Engineering, University of Waruna is engaged with the study of the problems associated with technology development of cinnamon since 1998. We involved to find relevant technical information pertaining to cinnamon processing industry and designing suitable mechanisms and devices to further mechanize the cinnamon peeling process. In consequence, research involved to invent cinnamon processing bench, Buddhika CG rubbing machine, Buddhika PG rubbing machine and nipply modified rubbing machine. And now we are pleased that some peeling shreds are involving to apply modernized mechanics that we have found out. There is no doubt that Mother Nature has gifted us with the most precious cinnamon to serve the world and experience the unique taste while uplifting the contribution of foreign exchange to the island. Thus, research and development is very much important in this regard to achieve optimum economic benefits to hold the crown in the competitive cinnamon market in the world.